I have here some English text which I would like to translate into the Brazilian flavor of Portuguese. And as you can see, it's in memoQ. So what I can do now is to close this file. And then I right-click the file and I would choose Export and Export Bilingual. And I would also definitely choose this Include Skeleton and Preview option here. And then I just click Export. It will open a dialog where I can specify the location I would like to save my file to. So it's here, so you just click Save. And now it's saved in a safe location, so you can open the location now. As you can see, our file is right here. And then we go to Bohemicus, and first of all we need to specify the languages. So let's choose the source language, which is English, and let's choose the target language, which is Portuguese, but Brazilian Portuguese, so this one. And then we will also choose this Claude Sonnet option here. That will actually suffice, but if you want to fine-tune it a little bit, you can also click this cogwheel settings button. And as you can see, for Claude Sonnet, you can specify some options. First is temperature or creativity. That means how creative the Claude Sonnet AI engine will be when translating your files. It's a value between 0 and 1. 0 is very little creativity, 1 is maximum creativity. Then you can specify some additional instructions, such as you can use formal voice or avoid vulgarities and so on. You would write it here. And then you can also specify glossary if you wish. There will be a 2-column glossary, and you can separate the entries by a tab character. But for now, let's not do this, and let's just go to the translation thing. So you would go to the Stratus/cats tab and back to your file, which you would drag and drop onto Bohemicus here. And now you would simply click this translate button here. So translating a memoQ file from English to Brazilian Portuguese. It's gonna take a minute, so let's wait a little bit. Okay, so it's finished now. So we can go back to our file location. We have the translated file here, and you can simply double-click it. And when you double-click it, memoQ will try to import it again. It will import it as a new file, which is a little bit awkward and clumsy, but it's better than nothing. So you just click OK. And as you can see, here we have the file. And when you double-click it now, it should be translated into Brazilian Portuguese. As you can see, the formatting tags has not been really kept too consistently, but you can specify this in the Claude Sonnet instructions. And as you can see, I could now easily export this into the very original file, which is Microsoft Word. And as you can see, it's translated right here. So this is how you use Claude Sonnet when translating memoQ files. Just remember, you will need a Claude Sonnet key, and the Claude Sonnet key is right here, language and settings, and you would need to enter it here. You can get the Claude Sonnet key from the respective website, which is called, I think, anthropic.com, or you can just Google it up. So thank you for watching, and see you in another video.